Here we are at Harry's Motors. Kind of, I've been digging into the Porsche. It's been undercover here for maybe 6 months or 8 months, but we're going to do the bushes for the gear change. That'll kind of make it a bit smoother. Basically, I just lifted the seat out. I've got all the carpet loosened here now, so I can get in there. This we had to kind of cut off. Left that seat in. Got this side all ready, and then basically we're working down here and over the back over here, which you won't be able to see till I pull that up, but working down there too. Kind of cool. Car's in a bit of disarray, but it's still my Porsche. Needs a bloody good clean. Here's a video to Pelican. Here they go, Yahoo! This is so cool. All of these bushes were absolutely useless. So I think we're going to be in luck. Could have a car that'll change in gear. Here it is, perched in the back. Oh, we could have this thing actually driving soon. Looking good. Oh, there's my seat. Yeah, it's been a bit of a voyage, but we've got the parts now. It's just a matter of plonking them together. A lot of English and Japanese. We'll figure it out. So as long as we get that, we're okay. Well, it's back to Harry's for the Porsche day. I've just got a bit of wood here that I'm going to cut because I lost a plate going over the gearbox. We don't know where it is, but we will fix it. It's been a good day. W thing on, but I've got to cut this off and put it inside the car. Yeah. On the template, let's go and have a look at this kind of fits. Just rushed down to the local hardware store and made this up, which covers over. This was the major part we had to renew, besides a couple more up here on the front. But it seems to fit. I don't know how I lost the other part. I don't know. Harry and I can't remember taking it out. But that's basically in there. Just need to drill some holes and bolt it down. I don't know what